Hello, Namaskar, and welcome to Healthify My Cuisine. And my name is Seema. I am your nutritional guide. And today's recipe is for those aiming at weight loss or disease reversal. Today's recipe is also a high fiber content recipe. It's a very good source of fiber, and not only fiber, it's high in protein content also. So this will be an excellent meal for the start of the day, or for those who want to lose weight, because it has high fiber content. Its fiber content is about more than 12 grams per 100 gram, not, and protein content is more or less 11 grams in 100 grams. So this is Barnyard Millet, positive grain, one among the five grains. Five positive I will millets. Dry roast the millet. The first thing you need to do with the millets is that you need to dry roast them slightly till aromatic, and then wash them thoroughly and soak them in copper charged water or plain water if you don't have copper vessel. Then in the next morning, after 8 hours or 10 hours, say in case of barnyard millet, I will say soak it for 10 hours, and in the morning when you will prepare the breakfast, don't throw away the water, because it contains some water soluble minerals and vitamins also that should not go waste and that should not go washed away. So let's proceed towards the recipe, and let's see how it is done, how wonderful and yummy a recipe is prepared with this millet. This is overnightly soaked barnyard millet, or samvat chawal in Hindi. You can replace your rice also with this. This has soaked well, and now we will cook it in the same water in which it was soaked overnight. Here you need vegetables of your choice. This will make it more nutritious and healthy. You can also take curry leaves. These are totally optional. Here in a pan, take the millet along with the water and cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Millet Man of India, Khadir Wali, you can see the picture on your right. If you don't know about this scientist who has changed lives with his millet miracles, the food which heals diseases from diabetes to cancers, please go through his videos. As you can see, the millet has cooked, barnyard millet has cooked, and we will leave it cooking for another 2 minutes till the water absorbs, evaporates completely. Take another pan and take 2 spoons of ghee. Ghee is good for the assimilation and absorption of fat soluble vitamins, and it also helps in your good brain health. Add some mustard seeds. Wait for the mustard seeds to crackle, because it's very important to wait for the mustard seeds to crackle, otherwise everything will turn bitter. Add curry leaves and chilies according to your taste. Curry leaves, if you don't have, avoid it, but it's good for your hair if you get. Now add the vegetables. First I'll put the carrots and saute them for about 2 minutes, and then keep stirring continuously so that it gets cooked well. Then add sweet corn, stir it well in the ghee. The kitchen is already aromatic. Cook it well and add the tomatoes also. Tomatoes are a good source of vitamin C. It contains a lycopene, which is anti-cancerous, and tomato gives it a tangy taste. I love the tangy taste of tomatoes in my Daliya recipes. If you don't love to have tomatoes, I think after hearing to the nutritional facts about the tomatoes, you will definitely love to have these and include in your diet. Cook this well till ghee separates and the raw smell goes off. And at this stage, you can add cooked millet, which you have cooked. You can also watch my Daliya recipe, wheat Daliya recipe, and other recipes. I have uploaded many millet recipes also. I will give the link in the description box. Do watch how millets can be made tastier and how you can reverse your diseases on a millet diet. Here you can see the nutritional value of Barnyard millet. It has 22 mg of calcium, and not only this, it's rich in proteins also, dietary fiber. Because of the dietary fiber and low glycemic index, it's good for diabetics. I add capsicums at last so that it retains its color and there is a crunch in the dish. And with this, overcooking of capsicum can lead to destroy its collagen value as well as its vitamin contents and antioxidant contents too. You can see the dietary fibers are very necessary for those who want to relieve their constipation. Don't forget to add black pepper, which is a fat burner. It helps burning your fat. Little bit of everything is good for you. Indian spices are always loaded with nutritional values, and there are some hidden reasons why these are added in the kitchen. Your kitchen is your lab, and it is a mini dispensary, you can say. This tastes so good. You can also watch my weight loss chutney recipe, which has gained fame among my friends, and they have started taking amla, and my weight loss chutney is the easiest way and the super way to
It was
have the
superbly
amla.
delicious.
Thank you so much for watching till the end and for subscribing to my channel. If you have not yet subscribed to it, please do subscribe and share the recipes with everyone.